Here's you can set up shipment and order tracking on WooCommerce. So you can easily set up shipment and order tracking on WooCommerce by doing the simple step that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to go to your plugins. So when you go to plugins, so make sure, remember guys, that I have a 14 days trial account, but in a 14 days trial account that I can't directly install the plugin. I can just download it, and after downloading it, I can use it after purchasing the whole WordPress. But after going to plugins, just go to browse plugins, and in browse plugins right over here, just search up advanced shipment tracking. I'm just gonna write all up just like that. So here you will see advanced shipment tracking for WooCommerce. So just click on it. So if you already have like WordPress, you bought it, you won't see the option of download. It will just say install. But once you press download, you will just get this file right over here. This file. So once you got this file, so you can just install it manually or do anything about it. But yeah, but like you can just download it, and if you already got it, so you'll see an option in your plugins, under your plugins, called shipment tracking. When you click on like you can just configure it, the shipment tracking, and you'll see the shipment tracking option. So when you click on it, after that you see all the apps that currently has your order, and that can show you the tracking options and stuff like that. So you'll see all the apps that you are currently working for and showing you all the stuff like that. But yeah, after that, just go just check on all the webs that you got. But after that, you need to for like your order tracking. So once you've like done your shipment process, so you will need another thing called for your order tracking for the process, and it's called TrackShip. So for your order tracking on WooCommerce, this is another plugin called TrackShip. So you need another plugin for it. You just have to go to plugin again and search up TrackShip. So once you search up TrackShip, just search it up. It might not show up for me because yeah, but there it is. This is exactly what you need. So it's again showing the download for me, but it will show you the option for install. Just press on install. Once you install the TrackShip 2, as you can see, its descriptions, TrackShip is a shipment tracking and post-purchase experience. So once you got that, you just you'll just get a TrackShip. When you install it, you'll just get a TrackShip interface with TrackShip saying it's for free and stuff like that. But after that, you can either go for AST Pro 2. So AST Pro is basically Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro. So you'll get two options. Either you get two plugins for it, or you go for two options for AST Pro, and you do nothing with it. Or you can either go for TrackShip and AST Simple one, a free one, but AST Pro costs. But yeah, after that you have to add shipment tracking to your orders. So what you have to do is go to WooCommerce dashboard, just like that. Once you're there, you will be redirected to your orders page. So I don't have any orders, but when you're there, you will see your all information and stuff like that. But yeah, you will need to add a tracking info after that. So adding your tracking info is as easy and simple, just like that. So once you've added your tracking info and your tracking links, so shipment tracking links, after that you'll be good to go. And you'll just need to have then a TrackShip for WooCommerce. So once you have the product, the thing for TrackShip 2, you just need to then you'll see in plugins another option for TrackShip 2. Just click on it, and it will bring up a whole new thing. Just like connect your store. So once you've done your AST, Advanced Shipment Tracking System option, After that, you have to go to in plugins into your TrackShip and connect your store to it. So connecting your store is very easy. You just have to click on the connect your store option, and after that, you just have to go to connect a store again on the status side, and just press on it, and it will do its process, and click the connect a store button. All right. So once you're on the connect a store button process, it will ask for the links. So the links are basically your WooCommerce website links, and for your TrackShip. So you just have to select first of all select your platform. It will give you three options like WooCommerce, Shopify, and custom. So you just have to click on WooCommerce, and after that, once you have selected WooCommerce, it will give you the link. So it will say we are going to send you your store, so you can give us permission to access your WooCommerce data and product proactively update your orders and shipment status events. All right, you just have to press on connect. So once you have connected, it will ask you to configure TrackShip plugin. So once a store is connected to TrackShip, you can enter TrackShip dashboard and through your WooCommerce dashboard. So it will give a visual overview of your shipment and delivery detail. So you will get both, but in analytics, in the same way in analytics and extensions. So make sure that you got extensions with it too. But once you have done your both AST and AST Pro process, let me go ahead and clear it all for you. So I hope you all understand what I've told you, and you've not missed a single step. But once you have done both of them, you'll just see your process right over here in this page on the WooCommerce orders, just like here, and you'll see all the tracking management orders and stuff like that. So you can either disable them or do stuff like that. But once you have done that, you have to go to extensions and browse extensions. So this part is up to you if you want to stay reliable, but I have seen a lot of people using this extension method too. So as you all can see, it has this one right over here, as I told you all earlier, AST Pro. So this is all in one thing. You just need to pay it, and it will do all your work for you. So as you all can see, so the first way I told you it was for free. You have to use two stuff for it. The first one is Advanced Shipment Pro normal one, and Advanced Shipment Tracking normal, and the other app with it called TrackShip. But this one is called Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro, and you can get it for $8 for a month. So once you have bought it and installed it, it will just show all the process and all your shipment process. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So you can do either both of them, and it's a WW for both. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can set up shipment and order tracking on WooCommerce. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Make sure you like this videos and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.